Now, I'll give you a little tip, ladies. If you are going to do lines of bias like this, why not go and buy yourself a twin needle, okay? The same width or just slightly smaller than the bias, put it in your machine and you can go down so far. So basically you're sewing 2 lines or doing 2 lines of sewing at the same time that it would take you to do 1, and you just whack it right the way down the bias. Now in order to get it really precise when you do it like that, put on your open-toed foot or your walking foot, but make sure you have the distance for the double needle, the twin needle to go. Now, we automatically, especially if we use 1 needle, we put the bias just to one side of the foot and we have the needle in the centre. Why not whack the needle over to one side? And you can see what I mean. If you have a twin needle, you have one either side. Watch the bias as it goes through the foot. Don't watch the needle. And you will find that you can go right the way around the edge of all your bias absolutely brilliantly.